Hi, I'm John.
And I'm Nathaniel.
And welcome to
Homestead.
So we are inside our mobile coop. You can see Calvin over there. And we moved this coop outside. And in here are the chicks we hatched. So these are the chicks we hatched in our incubator. They are between 4 and 6 weeks old. There's 2 different batches, and we sold about half of them. We kept a couple lavenders for ourselves. We kept a number of buffs, and then the silver lace Wyandotte as well. So I think, yeah, we probably sold a little over half of them. We sold about 60 of them so far. We've got about 45 of them left. We're gonna let these guys grow out. And yeah, essentially we've moved them outside. The hoop coop's outside. It's nice and breezy in here. Lots of fresh air. And gives these guys a chance to get on pasture, start eating clovers and bugs. And we just pull this hoop coop every day, move it a little further. And so the roosters that we've got in here, we will grow out to eat. And the hens we will save for layers and possibly some breeders, depending on how they look and which ones we really like. And then we'll buy some new roosters to keep our genetics going this fall. What do you think, Calvin?
Yeah, can I give them a grape?
You want to give the chicks a grape?
Yeah.
Sure. I don't know if they'll eat it, but you can give it to them.
I think they might eat it.
I haven't been able to poke it yet.
Do you think they like it?
I don't know. Okay, let's go on out of here, boys.
Done.
Okay. Everyone out of the coop.
Can I drop this right here?
Sure. Come on out, Calvin. So since we moved these guys out, we still have to clean inside. I got to clean up all the shavings. So we're going to clean up the shavings, give the barn a bit of a quick dusting, and then we'll be all set, and the shop will be clean for the summer, which is awesome. We love having chickens, but having them in the shop sort of eats away our space and really makes things a little bit more messy. So let's go clean up, Nate, and get one more thing off the to-do list. Okay, you think we can fit the last bit in this wheelbarrow?
Maybe. That's good.
Sim, what you making? It's gonna zap a predator?
That's why I put this wire on. Let me test it.
Oh.
Let me test it.
Let's see how it's going over here. Oh, we're almost done. Couple more scoops. I'll get the door open and we'll use the leaf blower and we'll blow it all out. Sound good? You have done the, well, between me and you, we've done the most scoops.
Yes, like way too hot.
I think it's going to be hotter now that the garage door's open.
And also, it's 30 degrees Celsius outside, and also 25 degrees Celsius
We'll put that over by
here.
the box.
Right? Yeah, it's hot.
Okay, kids, everybody back up.
Why?
There's one on the ground right there, too. Because I'm going to try to blow all the dust out.
but very dusty.
But very dusty. Look at the barn swallows going to feed her babies.
You might be able to see one. Wait.
Thanks for watching Half Dozen Homestead, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
So this is the trap?
And if the predator's hungry, then it will just eat the grape.
The predator was hungry, it'll eat the grape?
Yeah. But second, then
Look at that, a predator ate the grape. Say bye.
And then the predator goes here.
Say bye.